In this video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Kids on your Samsung TV. Whether you want to set it up for your kids or just need a kid-friendly way to browse videos. It's actually pretty simple and works with most newer Samsung smart TVs. First, grab your remote and press the Home button to open the main menu. Scroll through the apps until you find YouTube Kids. It might be on the home screen already or under All Apps. If you don't see it, go to the Samsung Smart Hub or open the Smart Search bar at the top of the screen and type in YouTube Kids. When you find it, click Install, then open the app once it's done downloading. After installation, you'll be asked to choose between preschooler, younger kid, or older kid. This helps filter content based on age. You can also set up a parental PIN to manage settings and block inappropriate content. If your Samsung TV doesn't have the YouTube Kids app built in, no worries. Just use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Open the App Store on that device, search for YouTube Kids, install it, and you're good to go. Another option. If you have a web browser on your Samsung TV, you can visit kids.youtube.com directly. Though keep in mind, the mobile or desktop site may not offer the full app experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get YouTube Kids working on your Samsung TV, drop a comment below and let me know which method worked best for you, built-in app or streaming device. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.